Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get OneDrive folder on your desktop. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer, and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, right now the first thing that you need to do guys is open the File Explorer. If you don't find it here in your desktop, just click on the Start menu, search for File Explorer, and then click on Open. And then you're going to be right here in this window. Once you're here, in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here, you're going to find Home, Gallery, and here under it, you're going to find OneDrive. So right now, go ahead and right-click on OneDrive. Then here, you're going to find all of these options. So right now, if you right-click on OneDrive, here, you're going to find all of these options. Right here, you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open in a new tab, open a new window. From here, you can pin it to the quick access right here. You can also pin it to the start menu. Here you're going to find the option to compress it, copy as path, properties. Here you're going to find always keep on the device, free up space, and OneDrive settings. So right now, if you want to have it on your desktop, it's pretty easy. Just minimize this window right here, and then just grab OneDrive folder, drag it right here, and then as you can see, guys, you're gonna be able to have it on your desktop. So right now, if you click right here, this will take you directly to the OneDrive folder. If you want to access the OneDrive settings, just right click on OneDrive, go to OneDrive here, then go to your settings right here, and then you're going to be here in this window. Once you're here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find sync and backup, account, notifications, and lastly, about. Here, as you can see, guys, you can add an account if you want. You can link your PC with your OneDrive account, and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.